Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be telling you how to install an app without Google Play Store. So first thing first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your web browser on your mobile phone, which can be Chrome or anything else. Now if you want to download anything on your mobile device or whatever device you're using without Play Store, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into the browser and type in the app name. So let's say you want to download Subway Surfers, and at the end you're gonna type APK download. Now you're gonna click on the first link that you see or the second one, which might be from apkpure.com, and then you're simply gonna click on download APK, the green button at the top right. Now once you click on the download APK button, your downloading will start, and once you have finished the downloading, you're gonna open up the APK file and you're gonna install the app. That's basically how you can download any app without using Google Play Store on your mobile or tablet. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.